Yeah, I never let nobody with no motion try to hold me. I'm an OG, and that's the old me, the way I'm sitting.
Zalak is a definition of pick me. Seeing the promo only gives me so much stress. Like how you're going around letting your male friends talk to a woman like that. Thought they respected and didn't fight girls? How is she fighting for people like Gullu who would literally be talking shit about her if she was in the other team? These girls really do turn blind to her to an insult thrown by their male friends. God, my BP is increasing, man. Bro, your BP is increasing because of yourself. If it's an alliance, I know my friend is doing wrong. I would tell him what is going wrong. But अगर सामने वाली बंदी सरोजनी की model है, so I'm sorry, I would not stop it. But me being a pick me, sorry bro, I never reacted in front of anybody कि I'm a pick me. I did not go to guys, multiple guys saying please मेरे से connection बना लो, please मेरे से connection बना लो. That was the model who was doing that, not me bro. Wrong question for the person, buddy. Zalak, Khushi, Preet and Kyra were actually playing Friendship Villa. Buddy, it's a reality show. You need your lions there. ये क्या 4 महारानियों वाला gameplay था with not even a single actual connection, no dating scene. They kept fighting for other women throughout. दोस्ती के भरोसे पूरा शो चलने वाला था. Okay, so one opinion on this. अगर हिमांशु, आयुष, सौरभ और योगेश भाईचारा कर रहे हैं तो हम बहनचारा क्यों नहीं कर सकते? That is allowed because the guy is doing it, but the other girls are doing it. Again, bro, I'm a feminist. I would fuck your case on that. But actual connection की बात करें, I and Goresh had an actual connection. We actually had a connection, even though that was like, of course, अगर मेरी दोस्त को कोई पसंद है तो मैं उसके लिए बात करने जाऊंगी. That's the same thing Gullu did. पर अगर तुम अंधे हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. But sorry, we are going to win the game with this hashtag बहन कोड. Funny questions है. Zalak is so mature. She did not even hate on Kyra. कोई और होता तो पक्का चढ़ जाता, but she handled it with so much grace. Thank you. Somebody actually said it because I know how Kyra's situation was. अगर योगेश को same situation आती, like how would have he reacted in that situation? The same way I understand. Maybe there's some insider thing. I don't know to say it or no, but I guess Kyra might have guessed कि प्रीत ने क्या choose किया होगा, either प्यार और पैसा. The way we know Preet, maybe she might have thought कि Zalak और खुशी तो प्यार की भूखी है और they are like too much into love. They must have chosen प्यार. But उसको शायद लगा होगा कि प्रीत ने कुछ गड़बड़ चुना होगा. That's the reason. That's also something which I thought later on. But I agree on Kyra. But I don't think so. I'm way more mature to understand situations. I'm somebody who would not have grudges on anybody. But you have come to me, apologize. And we're done for that. Uske baad you're again my best friend. So that's me. Khushi and Zalak need some serious lessons on how to be girls. Girl, LMFAO. I would want to ask this person how to be a girl's girl because I've clearly shown how am I a girl's girl, standing up for my girls in every situation. Even if it's my first fight, I fought with Niharika and Asmita because they told something about our friendship, which clearly state I'm a girl's girl. Hence, period. Zalak won me over today with her so respectfully leaving the dome. Just shows how classy she was. Hats off, man. Also, I wish she was much better. She was with much better friends, honestly. The way she asked Saurabh to take care of Preet came from heart. It was genuine. The previous question, buddy, this is the answer. I'm a girl's girl. Secondly, everybody knows I love the girls who am I with today as well, even if it's after the show because we are together since day one. And of course, अगर मैं जा रही हूँ respectfully, maybe that was meant for me, but it was God's plan. I had to be in the game. I had to show Goresh who the is messing up with. But yes, I would want the people who are with my girls to be with them. That's it. Just take care of them. And that's me as a person. I'm a giver in any relationship. So that's me. Thanks, somebody at least understood that. Zalak had face card, body card, fashion sense, everything, but still, what a wasted opportunity. Should have played alone or with Asmita, Niharika and Kiona. पहले तो तारीफ की उसके लिए thanks. They also know that I'm there for a reason. उसके first sentence में पता चलता है why the was it an opportunity for me and not for that person. But playing with Asmita, Niharika, sorry to say, but Niharika हमारे साथ ही पहले खेल रही थी. Niharika was with the बहन code. We were 5 girls, and then she fought with me, Kyra, Khushi and Preet on the same topic. उसने सबसे एक ही चीज कहा है, y'all cannot talk to me like this. Even though मेरी और निहारिका की first दिन की fight नहीं दिखाई, that I left the room, I threw my bags out of the room because I wanted to leave her space. I was sleeping with the guys at that time because Khushi, Preet and Kyra were sleeping in one room. These 4 girls cannot sleep in one bed. And you want me to make an alliance with this girl who utterly is somebody who blabbers shit. उसके मुंह की गालियां is C grade. That's the reason the show ने नहीं दिखाया. And Kiona is dumb, but she played smart when it came to Khushi and Diptanshu. Asmita is again Niharika's chamchi, so I don't think so I would want to make an alliance with her because she thinks she's a bold personality, but she's not. I do not want to clean somebody else's mess. मैं हर चीज में बोलना नहीं चाहती. If it's your mess, you clean it because it's not mine. So I'm happy with the girls I am with. Khushi was sad when Zala got saved. What kind of friendship is that? She even said in a video something, I was sad because I thought someone would be leaving with me. She got saved. Like what? Were you guys not friends? A real friend wouldn't be sad that their friend is safe. They'd be happy for them. Well, the most awaited dumping. I don't know what to say on this because after that Khushi called me up and she said, don't feel bad about these things. But of course, अगर मैं जा रही हूँ, ऐसा होता ना कि मैं जा रही हूँ तो it's like I'll tell you one example. मैं फेल हुई वो तो ठीक है, उसका दुख तो है, लेकिन मेरा दोस्त पास हो गया उसका ज्यादा दुख है. I guess that's the thing which happened with Khushi. Maybe she was overwhelmed or too much emotional at that time. But still, these are petty things. I would not wanna give my vow to them. कितना भी तुम differences create करने की कोशिश करो, ऐसी कुछ बात नहीं है. I know she did not show her reaction that I was saved at that time because everybody was in a different zone at that time. Be it me, even if you must have seen Kyra का कोई reaction नहीं था जब मैं save हुई थी. She did not even stand up to come, like वो खुशी को मिलने भी नहीं आए, कुछ भी नहीं. But still we know she's there for her. So these things doesn't matter. She is one of those girls who would insult other girls in front of guys to look cool. Sorry, but this question is, as in this comment is for Niharika because that's what she was doing, not for me. I feel because I have not insulted Niharika. Niharika instead calling me. I have one thing to say. When she said कि गुल्लू ने उसको बोला कि तू fashion walk करके कहाँ जा रही है? She's like, this is something which I do in my regular life. So if you are somebody who's a fashion influencer, you know wearing blingy outfits or wearing lens or doing your hair is not nakli because that's how you portray yourself if you're a fashion influencer. So जब वो मुझे insult कर रही थी वो किसी ने नहीं देखा, but I'm insulting her stating that she's nakli because I do not want to say shit about her, what nakli things she does and what she wears. So Niharika and these people, zip it, bro. Zalak and Asmita, the difference. Of course, there is a difference. It's A to Z. She must have started something, I'm ending things. Zalak, I don't really like her, but she's pretty and maintains some class as compared to that Khushi. But she's so dumb. The whole reason why two of them were dumped before by Kyra and then one was saved that that too not by Kyra but the wheel was so the other person goes back to the villa and creates Kalesh, questions Kyra and if possible goes against her, but this one decided to understand Kyra's decision and no questions for her, no animosity towards her, nothing. Because I understand the decision which she took. Dumping two of your friends out of three is a very big decision. I know what position she was because an insider हमने उसके पहले ही fight करी थी. So me, Kyra, Preet and Khushi had a big fight before that. We were not talking. We did not have a dinner as well. We just went to the dome. Everybody was upset because I and Khushi had a feeling that हम आज dump हो रहे हैं. But bro, अगर दोस्तों पे ही question उठाना पड़ा तो कैसी दोस्ती हुई है? I'm not Asmita that I'll question Niharika. Sorry, that's not me. यार, I don't get it. गौरेश जैसे लोगों को ज़लक जैसी लड़कियां मिल कैसे जाती है? Like, what is she even seeing in him? Okay, so I wanted to speak with Mohit first, of course. But Mohit being Mohit, उसका game plan अलग था that I want to stick with one girl. But coming to Gauresh, he's a very nice guy. I like somebody who makes me happy, who makes me smile even in any situation, and that's Gauresh. Gauresh made those attempts. He, in fact, उसने इतना try करा मुझसे बात करना. Every I used to get one flower. मेरे उठने से पहले वो आ जाता था मेरे कमरे में कि a beautiful flower, beautiful lady. But that's what he's been doing right now. So never mind. But people don't know how Gauresh is because वो भी उतना बात नहीं करता. But when he's with me, we are just in our own space. So I don't think so. I need to tell people how we are in our life or inside the show as well. They'll come to like no spoilers, but they'll see what happens and what twists are there in the show ahead. But even I feel sometimes कि Gauresh को मैं मिल गई. He's a lucky guy though. Maybe an unpopular opinion, or I don't know, but Zalak is actually so sweet, or is it just me? I don't know. She's a little irrelevant ADP, but she seems unproblematic. What do you guys think? Yeah, I am unproblematic, bro. But one thing, मुझे दूसरों के भसड़ में बात नहीं करनी. It's your mess. You clean your shit up. I would not talk into it. Just because I'm silent doesn't mean that I don't have a topic or I'm not irrelevant, as in I'm not relevant anywhere. Because यार silent ज़्यादा बात करते हैं. बर्तन तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा आवाज करते हैं तो तुम बर्तन को फेंक देते हो. But silent चीजों को कोई नहीं फेंकता. You know, silence gives you peace. Zalak needs to replace herself from Splitsvilla to Hustle. Can I just contact this person? Why Hustle, bro? Just because I have a husky voice. I feel it. पता नहीं है क्या बोलना चाहते हैं. इनको पूछना पड़ेगा. Zalak needs to replace herself from Splitsvilla to Hustle. Just because you need to replace yourself from somewhere to nowhere. Splitsvilla वालों को Zalak को as a fashion designer hire कर लेना चाहिए. At least बाकी contestants का fashion sense थोड़ा सही होगा. Because honestly, she dresses so well compared to these disasters. Thank you so much. This actually made my day apart from reading these bad things, but I take it. And thank you for letting me know. शायद मैं help कर पाती किसी को, but yeah, there हम 4 लड़कियां एक कमरे में थी and we used to help each other like mad. It's just not me, but I know I'm a fashion influencer, I am a fashion model, and I know how to dress myself because Indian suits me more. So मैं अपने outfits भी वैसे ही लेके गई थी, and of course everybody appreciated it. So this one's for this person. But yeah, they did not pay me to be a fashion designer, so sorry, they lost their chance. True, in the first episode, I found Zalak to be the prettiest one, and the way she spoke and carried herself was really attractive too. She gave me Akshata vibes, but this Behenchara really finished anything she could have done in the show. Okay, so I guess इनको नहीं पता रियलिटी शोज चलते कैसे हैं. अगर तुम्हारी अलायंस नहीं है तो तुम नहीं चलोगे आगे. But alliance is the main thing. At least I gave my best first impression compared to the other girls, and I guess that's the reason the people who love me for the way I am, not being outspoken, but I speak facts, not just I just don't blabber shit. So that's me, and hence I don't want to tell them. They'll see who the hell I am in the upcoming. Zalak was Kyra's friend only because she has the most bitcoins among them all. तो फिर तो मुझे निहारिका पे flip कर लेना चाहिए था ना, because Niharika was very near to Kyra. I could have just flipped on Kyra and went to Niharika again. Hence proved that. Do you think I need to give more answers for this? So one thing was there. Gullu Goresh together, Zalak Kyra together. We four were like very strong together as individuals and as an alliance as well. And Kyra as a person is a sweetheart. But अगर तुम्हें यही लगता है कि हम bitcoins के लिए थे या मैं specifically, तो फिर तुम्हें निहारिका पे flip कर सकती थी ना. नहीं किया. जाके एपिसोड वापस देखो. शायद कर लेना चाहिए. I guess I'm done with the question. But one thing to all of these people who've said bad. Firstly, the people who've said good about me. Thank you for loving me so much. I love you all back. But the people who are saying कि मैं ऐसी थी, मैं silent थी, irrelevant थी. I have no answers for them. It's just y'all are behind the doors watching me on your television. I'm on your fucking television. So keep quiet. Just watch the show. Love me the way I am because I did not fake it to make it, just like how other people did. So that's me. End of discussion. So yeah, I don't think so. I have much to say about these people who don't even exist for anybody. But I'm somebody who's existing. People love me for the way I am. And sorry, I did not fake it like your favorites. So, Dot Media, are we done with the interrogation? Because I don't have time for these people. Sorry.